row the boat to safer grounds. But don't you know we're stronger now? My heart still beats and my skin still feels, my lungs still breathe, my mind still feels. But we're running out of time. All the echoes in my mind cry.